Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Now we will discuss about the topic audiometry. What is audiometry? Audiometry is a branch of audiology and the science of measuring hearing acuity for variations in sound intensity and pitch, and for tonal purity involving thresholds and different frequencies. In other words, we can say that audiometry is a technique used to measure the ability to hear sounds. The process of audiometry is quite simple, consisting of three parts. First, mechanical sound transmission, which is the function of middle ear. Second, neural sound transmission, which is the function of cochlear function. Third, speech discrimination ability, which is the function of central integration. Now we will discuss the types of audiometry. First of all, the most used the type of audiometry is pure tone audiometry. Second, speech audiometry. Third, suprathreshold audiometry. Fourth, self-recording audiometry. Fifth, impedance audiometry. Sixth, computer administered audiometry. Seventh, subjective audiometry. Eighth, objective audiometry. Now we will discuss the first type of audiometry, which is most common, that is pure tone audiometry. Pure tone audiometry. Pure tone audiometry is a diagnostic test, which is the mean hearing test used to identify hearing threshold levels of an individual, enabling determination of the degree, type, configuration of a hearing loss. The process of pure tone audiometry is that it measures the softest or least audible sound that a person can hear. During the test, you will wear earphones and hear a range of sounds directed to one ear at a time. The loudness of sound is measured in decibel, right in dB. To clarify pure tone audiometry, there is some key points. Most commonly used test for evaluation auditory sensitivity, delivered primarily through air conduction and bone conduction, displayed on a graphic plot called an audiogram. Audiogram is the graphical result of audiometry or pure tone audiometry. A pure tone is a tone having single frequency. In audiogram, red ink shows right ear and blue ink used for left ear. Start with a frequency of 125 Hz and 0 decibel. 0 decibel is not mean that there is no sound. Air conduction thresholds are measured from 125 Hz to 8000 Hz. Bone conduction thresholds from 250 Hz to 4000 Hz. Now I want to clarify the difference of air conduction and bone conduction. What is air conduction? Air conduction is the pathway that the sound travels from the three parts of the air to detect the sound: outer air, middle air, and inner air. Then the brain detects the sound. But in bone conduction, the outer air and middle air is not involved to detect sound. Hope the topic is clarified. Take care. Allah Hafiz.